Hi everyone, this is Brian McInerney, hydrologist with the National Weather Service. This is a mountain weather briefing for use with snow safety planning. Today is Thursday, November 20th, 2014. What we're looking at here is a rendition of the winds at about 11,500. This low pressure that's located out over Alaska is the main weather feature that's going to be pulling moisture from the Philippines down into this fashion into the western U.S. And when it does, it's going to bring copious snowfall to Utah. When we look at this a little closer, we'll take a look at the northern Wasatch. It's going to bring snow totals of 12 to 24 inches with snow water equivalent of 0.9 to 2 inches. It's going to start Saturday morning and run all the way through Monday evening. Well, then we move farther south to the central and southern Wasatch. We're going to see snow totals of a little bit bigger, 18 to 36 inches, and that's anticipated to be enhanced by the lake effect. Snow water equivalent is 1.5 to 2.8 inches. Again, it's going to start Saturday morning and end Monday evening. When we move eastward to the Uintas, snow totals at 10 to 20, a little bit less. Snow water equivalent of 0.7 to 1.6. The storm is going to begin and end at the same time on Saturday morning through Monday evening. When we look at the northern Wasatch a little closer, what it has to do with this storm, we see the greatest snow intensity is about Saturday afternoon and evening hours at 2 inches per hour. The snow level at the onset is 5,500 feet, and then it's going to get colder, so the snow level is going to drop to about 4,500 feet or down into the valleys. We're going to have decreasing density trends with this storm. When we look at the winds are greatest probably very early Sunday morning with gusts up to 55 miles an hour and sustained winds at around 35 miles an hour. When we look at the central Wasatch, the greatest snow intensity is going to occur Saturday afternoon and evening, with peak snowfall rates at about 2 to 3 inches per hour. The snow level at the onset is at 6,000 feet and dropping down to the valley, and the new snow density trends are also decreasing for this area. And the winds are going to be gusting at about 65 miles an hour, sometime Saturday evening, and continuing really until early Sunday morning with sustained winds at about 40 to 35 miles an hour. When we look at the Uinta Mountains, the greatest snow intensity is going to occur at Saturday afternoon and evening with peak snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. Snow level at the onset is 6,000 feet with the snow level at the end of the storm at 4,500 feet, and the new snow density trends are going to be decreasing. When we look at the winds, the greatest winds are about 50 miles an hour, sometime late Saturday, early Sunday morning with sustained winds at about 30 miles an hour. It's going to be coming out of the southwest and transitioning to the northwest, as most of these areas are going to see. So we've got quite a storm coming. It's very good to see this early, but we are going to see some changing avalanche conditions with this. If you'd like additional information, check us out on Facebook. You can find us on Twitter at UTWX and then UTSnow. You can email us at nwssaltlakecity@noaa.gov, and a really good idea is to check out the Utah Avalanche Center at utahavalanchecenter.org. They have lots of good information on avalanche conditions and the current conditions as a result of this weather. Again, this is Brian McInerney with the National Weather Service. Be safe, and we'll see you on the next storm.